Hello everyone, welcome back to Telsa Vlogs. Here is my new DIY candle holder. This candle is made from, it is decorated with a recycled empty sachet or envelopes of the red tea. And fix it with the use of the paper glue. And now this is the transformation of the candle decorated with the tea bags. And the candle holder is a serving plate. Look at this. This is just beaded wire, and I just put on the top of the plate. And here is a different colors of artificial flowers made from the plastic bottles of mineral water. And this is painted with a liquid glue and sprinkle it with the glitters. It is very easy DIY project, and you can do it yourself on how to create a very simple home decoration. This is a table centerpiece, candle table centerpiece for all the season. Just collect empty bottles and you can paint it with nail polish or glue. Then you can sprinkle it with glitters. So I hope guys you get an idea on how to recycle plastic bottles, how to recycle tea bags, and decorate this simple candle. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Telsa Vlogs, so that you will be updated with all my new videos. So please visit my channel and click the notification bell, click the playlist how to create home decoration or how to create a table centerpiece. Then you can find all my video tutorials. Just replay my live tutorials and you can follow step by step on how to create different DIY home decoration made from waste recycled materials. So stay tuned and stay connected so that you can watch all other videos. I have more videos to be uploaded very soon. So don't miss, so that you will learn how to create different projects made from recycled materials. This is Telsa Vlogs. So thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you will continue to support my channel, and I'll do the same to you. Keep safe and stay healthy always. God bless everyone, and I'll see you again in my next vlog. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.